Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. We just got hit by something big. All right. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We made it to the lake. I'm gonna go find us a spot. We're here doing, testing out this new rod. I got my Sorore put on it right now. This is the Bass Pro Panfish Elite Series rods, right? This blue one is the first edition, and I love this rod. They're both 6 foot 8 inches long. The problem is this is a light action, and I lost my ultralight to my blue one, and they don't make it anymore. So it's been a pain to find it again. But they replaced it with this rod. Problem is they made this rod way stiffer than the blue one. So we're gonna come here and see how we like it, if we even like it at all. I took it out yesterday, did some swim bait fishing with it. It did okay. It actually did pretty good as long as you were using like 1/32 of an ounce up to an 1/8 ounce, right? You gotta use a little bit heavier jig heads. Obviously it's a little bit stiffer of a rod. It doesn't slingshot the little baits out there quite as good, but anyway, I tested it out with the swim baits on it yesterday, but I only caught one fish, so I can't really justify that being a, you know, doesn't really count as trying it out. So all right, this water is really freaking coming in. I just want to see if we can catch a few. There we go. Oh, what is that? A crappie. Wow. Let's see if we can get any bigger ones. Bang, that's a good one. That's a good one. It feels a little heavier. Feels a little heavier. Might not be too much heavier, but it does feel heavier. Oh yeah, he's a little bit bigger than what we've been getting. All right, we got the other rod. Let's see how we do. Got him. There we go. Woo! Man, that took a minute. Oh, this is a more decent fish. Oh yeah, sweet. Look at that. No way. A bluegill on a 2-inch Euro tackle. Look at that. That's crazy. That's wild. I'll tell you what, this rod, that actually felt pretty good. That actually felt pretty good. You guys saw how little that fish was, but granted there's a lot of current in the water right now, waves going back and forth. But man, you guys saw how well this rod was bent over for that little tiny bluegill. I'm impressed. There we go. Oh, he dropped it. No. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. We just got hit by something big. I sure hope we don't break off. Yes. This is a real good test for the rod, right? I would say so. Let's see what we got. Wow. Man, whatever this is, it knocked the fire out of the bait that I'm using. Feels like a big drum. I'm gonna be that's my guess. I haven't seen nothing. You guys haven't seen nothing. My guess, big drum. It's a drum. I knew it. I knew it. Wow. Let's get him back here in these rocks. Wow. That is awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. That's awesome. Let's get him. Look at that. What a freaking awesome catch. Man, their lips are like leather. It's hard to get. It's hard to get hooks out of these guys' mouth. Okay. Look at that. This was 3-pound line and 2-pound mono. Or sorry, 3-pound braid and 2-pound mono. Brought that sucker in. Okay, let's let him go. Watch him swim off. Yeah, let's help him. Oh, he's got it. There he goes. And down into the depths. Cool. Oh man, I'm so happy with that catch. Wow. That, I will say, this rod was just absolutely perfect for that. This rod was just absolutely perfect for that. If you're gonna go drum fishing and you would prefer to do it ultralight, this is a great rod for that. There we go, got him. That's a good fish. It's a decent fish, actually. Yeah, that's a decent fish. What is it, another drum? It is. We are on the drum. Wow. We are on the drum today. Oh. Man, you shook hard. There we go. Wish I would have brought some pliers today. But you live and you learn. All right. Let's get a look-see at you. Just real quick. There he is. In his infamous glory. Cool. Let's get us another one. there we go. That's a decent one. Yeah, I'd say so. Oh. Yeah, that's a decent fish for sure. Nice. Not fighting very hard, so I'm gonna say it's a drum. Yeah, this is typical drum behavior here. Oh, there he goes. He wanted to pull. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is a drum. What do we got? Oh my God, I just caught a walleye. I just caught a walleye. Oh my God, this is the first walleye I've ever caught. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. I know they have super sharp gill plates, so I'm gonna try to, oh my God, I just caught. I can't believe it. I just caught my first freaking walleye ever. Look at those teeth. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot believe I just caught this walleye. I can't believe it. This is the first walleye I've ever caught in my entire life. Please don't bite me. Oh, the teeth on this dude are gnarly. Look at that. Oh my God. All right. Well, I think well, to be honest, kind of messed up a cast and lost our jig and all that. But that being said, I think right now is a great time to stop. I don't mind leaving it on that walleye whatsoever. I'm still in disbelief that I even caught it. I honestly can't believe it. I have been wanting to catch a walleye. I couldn't tell you for how long. It's kind of funny that I got my boat thinking that that's when I would go out and fishing for walleye, and I am gonna do that. That's absolutely happening. But I kind of thought that my boat is where I would have gotten my first walleye catch on. That is not the case. We caught our first walleye from the bank. Okay, so I guess while we're walking back, let's do a little rundown on the rod. A quick recap, right? So before this rod, there was this one. Now, like I said, this is the light action 2-piece, and the one that I lost was the 1-piece ultralight, the 6'8", and that is, in my opinion, one of the best panfish rods out there on the market today. This rod, while the tip is a little stiff for casting, man, did it handle the fish perfect. From the little 3.5, 4-inch bluegill that we caught all the way up into the big drum and the walleye. This rod handled it fine. So I'm super impressed. I'm really impressed. And we're gonna come back out and we're gonna fish this dam again because I couldn't be happier. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Catfish Commander is out.